With the Kerf Cutter by HydroVerge, you can repair broken valve box tops quickly and easily, while saving labor and money, and best of all, without digging up the street. No heavy equipment, no lengthy road closures. All that's needed is about 10 minutes, one person, and the patented Kerf Cutter handheld tool to remove the broken valve box and install a new top. Plus, in 4 simple steps, the valve box is fixed for good. The new sleeve floats, so it stays even with the surface as the road settles or heaves to prevent the need for future repairs. Here's how easy Kerf Cutter is to use on threaded and slip-fit style valve boxes. Step 1. Start by measuring with the included specially designed depth gauge and adjusting the collar on the basket guide to the appropriate depth. Step 2. After fitting the basket into the valve box, place the circular blade inside so that it rests on the center bearing. Insert the Kerf Cutter until it engages with the blade and rotate to cut the pipe. Step 3. Once you remove the basket and blade, loosen, then leverage out the cut valve box section with one of the provided puller extraction tools. Step 4. Using a valve box repair kit, sold separately, adhere the gasket onto the cast iron valve box top and set it into the hole. All that's left to do is replace the cover, level the new section, and seal it to the street surface. Not all valve boxes are alike, and that's okay, because HydroVerge has it covered. For one-piece, PVC, or short valve boxes, and two-piece types with 2 high midsections, an optional operating nut adapter kit is available. In place of a basket, the ONA uses the below-ground valve nut to guide the cutting wheel, and you still only need 4 easy steps for a long-lasting repair. Kerf Cutter is available with a choice of battery-operated or corded motors, and comes in an aluminum storage box with 4 diamond blades, the basket and adapter, depth gauge, 2 pullers, and additional tools to get the job done. It works for nearly all valve box manufacturers and includes a 3-year comprehensive warranty on all parts.